Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars on woodworking tools, only to find out the cheap ones work just as well? Today, we're breaking down the 15 best woodworking tools under $20. And trust me, a few of these are seriously impressive for the price. We'll cover build quality, key specs, and who each tool is best for, so you can spend smart and build better. Let's get into it. Number 1. RUITOOL Japanese Hand Saw. RUITOOL Japanese Hand Saw is a double-edged Ryoba-style saw made from SK5 high-carbon steel with a pulse-hardened tooth design that stays sharp for a long time. One side runs at 12 TPI for crosscuts, and the other at 17 TPI for rip cuts, giving you two saws in one. The non-slip rubberized TRP handle keeps your grip secure even when things get sweaty. What really stands out here is the blade's high flexibility, which makes it perfect for flush cuts right at the surface of your wood. The 6-inch blade is compact enough for controlled work without sacrificing cutting power. Next up, the Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel set. A serious set of chisels built from drop-forged chrome vanadium steel with heat-treated side-beveled edges that hold an edge well. You get 4 sizes: 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, covering most of what you'll need for joinery and paring work. The handles are made from impact-resistant polypropylene that can take real abuse. The metal strike cap on each handle is the detail that sets these apart. It means you can hammer away without splitting the handle over time. The ergonomic grip also makes long sessions much more comfortable. For the price, this is one of the most well-rounded chisel sets you can buy. Number 3. Nicpro Carpenter Pencil with Sharpener. The Nicpro Carpenter Pencil is a deep-hole mechanical pencil with a built-in sharpener right in the cap and a 45mm extended needle nose tip that reaches into tight drill holes and narrow grooves a regular pencil simply can't get to. It uses a thick 2.8mm lead that won't snap under pressure like standard pencils. It comes loaded with multiple colored refills, both gray and yellow, so you can color code your marks. The metal and rubber body feels sturdy and professional in your hand. Coming in at number 4, the Fracopo Woodworking Hand Saw is basically a compact, pocket-friendly version of a Japanese Ryoba pull saw. It features the same 12 TPI and 17 TPI double-edged setup on an SK5 carbon steel blade that's only 0.6mm thin, making it incredibly precise for detail cuts. That ultra-thin blade is a real advantage for dowel trimming, precise joinery, and light DIY tasks, where a standard saw would be too aggressive. It's lightweight and cuts on the pull stroke, which gives you more natural control. Number 5 is all about making assembly easier. The Pony 4-pack corner clamp set. These 90-degree right-angle clamps are made from high-grade ABS plastic reinforced with steel springs and handlework pieces up to 3/4 inch thick. They work for both standard corners and T-joints, giving you flexibility across different project types. The standout feature here is the single-hand operation design. You can hold your boards in place and still have a free hand to drive screws or apply glue. Getting a 4-pack means you can assemble a full box or frame all at once without stopping. Number 6. WETOOL's Corner Clamp. Similarly, the WETOOL's Corner Clamp set also gives you 4 90-degree clamps, but these stand out because of their floating head and rotating spindle screw that self-adjust to different material thicknesses. It handles boards from 3/16 of an inch up to 3/4 inch, a wider range than most budget clamps can manage. The automatic alignment feature means less fiddling and more accurate joints every time. This self-adjusting mechanism is genuinely useful when you're working with materials of slightly different thicknesses in the same project. Setup is fast, and the clamp stays put once tightened. Number 7. OriGlam Wood Carving Chisel Set. Alright, if you're getting into wood carving, the Origlam Wood Carving Chisel Set is a 12-piece SK2 carbon steel kit that includes deep gouges, shallow gouges, straight chisels, angled knives, and a parting tool. Basically every shape you'd need to start carving. The polished wood handles look great and give you a comfortable, traditional grip. With 12 unique carving profiles, this set lets you experiment with different styles without committing to an expensive specialized kit. It's marketed for beginners and hobbyists, and that's exactly where it shines. Number 8 is one of the most useful joinery tools on this list, the Masca Twin Pocket Hole Jig. This compact, job site-ready jig creates clean 15-degree pocket holes using a glass-filled nylon body and a hardened steel drill guide that resists wear over time. It works with any standard F-clamp or C-clamp, so you don't need a special bench system to use it. The twin-hole design speeds up your workflow by letting you drill 2 pocket holes at once, a big time saver on projects with lots of joints. It's compact enough to throw in a toolbox and tough enough to handle regular use. Halfway through our list, the ArtiMaster 3D Multi-Angle Measuring Square Ruler. This heavy-duty aluminum alloy tool marks both 45 and 90-degree angles and works in metric and imperial, covering you no matter what your project calls for. What makes it especially handy is the built-in drill guide that helps you identify the right drill bit diameter for your hole. The 3D design means it wraps around beams and 3-dimensional workpieces, letting you mark multiple faces at once without repositioning. You already know the name. The DeWalt Pro Wood Chisel Set is a 3-piece hardened carbon steel set in 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch sizes, built around a short series blade design that's shorter and stiffer than standard chisels. That extra rigidity gives you significantly better control when you're doing intricate carving or striking through tough joints. The bi-material handle is comfortable and absorbs impact well. Yes, it's only 3 sizes, not 4 like some competitors, but the quality jump is noticeable, especially in how cleanly the edges hold after repeated use. Number 11. Grebsk 4 Pieces Wood Chisel Set. If you appreciate the classic look and feel of woodworking tools, the Grebsk 4 Pieces Wood Chisel Set is right up your alley. These chisels are made from chrome vanadium steel and come with traditional solid beechwood handles, the kind of aesthetic that woodworking purists genuinely love. You get all 4 sizes, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, plus protective blade caps included with each chisel. Those caps are a small but important detail. They protect the edges during storage and make the whole set feel more premium. The wooden handles also have a slightly warmer, more natural feel compared to polypropylene alternatives. Coming in at 12, the Velnut Pocket Hole Jig is a 14-piece solid aluminum kit that punches way above its price. Unlike single-guide jigs, this one comes with 3 interchangeable sleeve sizes, 6, 8, and 10 mm, so you can match the drill guide to different screw sizes and wood thicknesses. Having multiple sleeve options in one kit is genuinely rare at this price point. It makes the jig useful across far more projects and screw types. Depth collars and a hex key are included, so you're ready to work straight out of the box. Incredible value for what you get. Number 13. Time Settle 17 Pack Small Wood Carving Set. If you want the most tools for your money, the Time Settle 17 Pack Wood Carving Set is hard to beat. It packs 12 SK2 carbon steel carving tools in different shapes, plus a sharpening whetstone and a storage pouch, all in one bundle. The imitation wood handles look respectable and feel balanced for detail carving and sculpting work. That included sharpening whetstone is what really puts this set over the top. Most budget sets skip maintenance accessories entirely. You can keep your edges in shape right from day one without buying extra gear. The best quantity and value combo on this entire list. Number 14 is the Jorgensen Mini Wood Planer, a 1 to 5/8 inch block planer built around a cast iron body and high carbon steel blade. That cast iron construction is the big differentiator here. It's heavier and more stable than the cheap plastic or light alloy planers flooding the market. The manual screw adjustment gives you precise control over the depth of cut. Whether you're trimming a door edge, leveling a glued-up panel, or cleaning up rough stock, this little planer handles it with surprising accuracy. Rounding out our list is the Nekomoku Edge Banding Trimmer, a double-sided trimmer built from manganese steel blades that trims both edges of your banding in a single pass. It handles PVC, veneer, melamine, and plastic banding up to 40 mm wide, covering the full range of materials used in furniture and cabinet work. The double-edged design cuts your finishing time roughly in half. For anyone who works with plywood or builds furniture, sloppy banding edges are one of the most annoying finishing problems, and this tool solves it cleanly and quickly. And that wraps up our countdown of the best woodworking tools under $20. If I had to highlight two standouts, the Time Settle 17-pack for pure value and the Masca pocket hole jig for functionality, both are linked in the description below. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and ring the bell so you never miss a deal. Now tell me, which tool caught your eye? Drop it in the comments.